B. Lincoln Brown. I built this all by myself. It's for something I'm working on, but today I'm gonna be unboxing Real Construction Kit. I had to use pliers, so I'll just use this stuff in it. Alright, so it's the boy. Creepy, right? It's like, no, I'm joking. Alright. So, Books Workshop. Also, I have the large refill Kidwood. This really isn't in stores anymore, so I got it off Amazon. Alright, so let's open this. First, I'm gonna open this because I'm not like the other people who like take a while to read everything on it. I just open it. There we go. It's hard to open it with the camera. Also, I do have the EV3, the Lego Monsters. Okay, now let's open this kit. There it is. I need to get a camera holder. I have one, but I don't know where it is. So I opened that. Now let's get the other side. Is there one? Hold on a second. Also, again, I'm sorry about this camera. Okay, that's open. See? Alright, now let's open this.